Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, ever since we had the end of this big ABC on the monthly, this is definitely a 1, 2, and wave 3. Most likely place for wave 3s to go is the 161.8, which is why I am definitely still very, very bullish. I still think this needs to go up to about the 25.50 just to end a wave 3 of an uptrend that is potentially maybe a year or more from being over. Going down to the weekly time frame, yeah, we've definitely been very, very sideways for about probably 2 months or more. But I still think this is a wave one. I still think this is a wave two. I think these are all subdivisions of a wave three. Now maybe this is like a one of three, two of three, three of three, four of three, and it needs to go back up for a wave five of wave three, all the way up to the 161% Fibonacci extension. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely see a couple possibilities. On the daily, I still think that the more likely scenario for me is that this is already an A, a B, and a C correction to this last push up, and that this is going to be a higher low, and just keep on trending up. Now, my other Elliot wave count is this is a 1, a 2, and we're actually in a wave 3 of a wave C downtrend. So obviously, completely different analysis. One has it going up and one has it going down for quite a while. But I think if we pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, we definitely should be able to tell the difference of what's Elliott wave count is actually playing out correctly. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, I still think that the trend needs to go up a little bit more. I still think we're going to actually see some more longs. I think this is more likely 5 up, which is either an A or 1. I think this is 3 down, either B or 2. I think it needs to go up for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, it'll probably go to a fib level, turn back down, and continue the downtrend. If it's a wave 3, it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up, which is clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, like a perfect 5 way pattern right there. That's like picture perfect right out of the Elliott Wave book. And then this right here looks like a trend to me also. Kind of looks like this could be an A. Kind of looks like this could be a wave B. This could be a wave C. If we get a Fibonacci bounce, nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would take it as a long. If it doesn't do that, but it bounces from fib levels, but doesn't make engulfing impulsive moves up, then I would definitely continue to look for shorts. Really, if on the 1 hour time frame and below, I would continue to look for shorts unless we get a Fibonacci bounce and a big impulsive engulfing move to the upside. If that happens, I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend again. So like I said, as long as you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be able to tell the difference between whether this is an A or a 1, this is a B or a 2, or whether this is a 3 or a C. You definitely can tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C if you know anything about Elliott wave and price action. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and access to all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.